How to lose weight fast. No exercise, no diet. One beetroot. Peel it. Beetroot is low calorie and nutrients rich. It boost up metabolism, improve digestion, and reduce appetite, which help to weight loss. 1 carrot. Carrots are rich in dietary fiber, which useful for weight loss. Cut into pieces. One apple. Apple increases the feeling of satiety for a long time, which helps to lose weight rapidly. Peel it. Cut into pieces. One lemon. Cut into pieces. Squeeze the juice. Lemon boost up metabolism, helping you burn more calories and store less fat. Cut the lemon peel into pieces. Lemon peels burn the stubborn fat accumulated in the belly. Put into a pan. 1 cup of water. Cook for 5 minutes for low-medium flame. Strain the boiled lemon peels. Take a blender. Add carrot pieces, apple pieces, beetroot pieces. Add lemon juice. Add lemon peel water. Make puree all the ingredients. Add 300 milliliters water. Total water using 500 milliliters. Drink this drink before breakfast for 10 days. It will melt all the fat accumulated in your body. You will have a flat belly and slim body in just 10 days. Keep the remaining drink in refrigerator.